How to reset your forgotten password on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can reset your password on Roblox. If you're unable to log in into your Roblox account because of your incorrect login information, then what you can do is here you need to head towards your login interface, and right in between you'll be able to see the option as forgot password or username. Click on it. As you click on it, next interface you'll have two different options, that is password and username. If you're unable to log in because of your incorrect password, if you have forgotten your password, then you need to switch towards the username, or you can just simply click on it. So there are different methods of recovering your Roblox account. So the first one is recovering your Roblox account through your contact information. So if you have provided either your email address or a phone number on your Roblox account, then you can simply type in your email address or a phone number in order to recover your account. Basically, provide your contact information. On the other interface, you'll be receiving a verification code or a recovery link. If you have received a link, then you need to click on it, and in case if you have received a verification code, then you'll need to type in. As you receive your recovery link or a verification code, next interface will be able to recreate a new password, and then you'll need to recreate a new password or a username. And in order to log in, you need to enter in the recently created password or a username, and then you'll be able to recover or log in into your account. So this method will work for those of you who remember their contact information that is linked with their Roblox account. In case if you're unable to remember your contact info, then what you can do is, in order to recover your account without your contact info, then you need to head towards the support center. For that, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box type in www.roblox.support.com, and from there, first of all, you'll be asked to select the device that you're having problem on, and you need to select whether it's PC, computer, or iOS device, Android, whatever you're using on. Next, you have a type of help category, so you need to select what kind of help recovery you need, such as you'll have a list of options. You can see there are a list of options, and you need to select accordingly. Next interface will be asked to provide either your username or your email address or your password. If you're unable to remember your contact info, then you'll need to provide your username, and then you also need to provide the email address where they can contact you. So you need to wait patiently until then, and also additionally they might ask you some other questions related with your account, and you need to provide it correctly. And you also need to provide a valid reason stating that you're unable to recover your Roblox account. Now that is the way how you can recover or reset your forgotten password on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.